Aloha again, everybody. Mike Drutar, Principal Broker, NextHome Paradise Realty, and I am your guide for all things Hawaii real estate. Thanks for joining me today. I got a property tour for you. Now, this is my listing, and if you're seeing this before August 3rd, which I believe is the right date, it's a Tuesday. So if you're seeing this on the first couple days, I have it on YouTube. This is prior to going on the market. This is an early bird special. We have what is called a preview status, and it is on the MLS and preview. If you do have a real estate agent and you want them to look it up, tell them to check the preview, and they will see this up now. Otherwise, you'll see it in a couple days on the MLS and on Zillow. I'm on Alii Drive, and we have a really unique property. You'll notice it's big. So what do we have? We have a main level, and then we have an owner's suite, and then we have a completely separate 2-bedroom rental. What? So we've got 1, 2, 3, 4 bedrooms, 1, 2, 3 baths, a 2-car garage, nearly 3,000 square feet of living space, over 700 square feet of lanai. There is a lot to cover on this one, so we're gonna dive right in and get to it. I'm gonna start off with the main house. You come upstairs, and then you turn, and you immediately have this nice large deck here. I think it's about 14 by 20, with a view out to the ocean. It's a little bit of a gray day, and I hear there's a fire on the other side of the island or something. We got a little bit of smoke. You do have an ocean view. And we come in the front door. Got a little seating area. You'll notice this really nice job on the wood. Real wood flooring. So on this main level, we have tons of space here in our living room. A lot of flexibility. You could do a lot of stuff here. And I'll have a virtual tour down in the description below. I'll have a link to the virtual tour of this and the lower level, so you can check that out if you'd like. Good size over there with a dining area. Got a nice little bar. We got a ginormous kitchen here. I'm gonna just come over to this side real quick and check it out. A lot of space. So these are original cabinets. You'll see that they're real wood on the face, and they're staple nailed melamine on the drawer structure. And then we have the 3-inch white ceramic tile on top. So solid surface on here. Some people are probably going to look at updating it, I can imagine. And then we'll come out here, we have a nice little seating area. Nice spot for morning coffee. We got our backyard below, a lot more lanai here. You can see we got some clouds up here today. Coconut tree, a bunch of banana trees over there. Plumeria trees, which I really like because you can kind of smell inside the house. It's kind of nice. It's like having a Febreze, a natural one. So we have 1 bedroom on this level and 1 bathroom. Oh, I have to get that light fixed. And then one thing I like about this is all of the bedrooms are great in size. No small bedrooms here. I think this is probably about our smallest bedroom. We have 2 downstairs that are also good size. Plenty of light in this house. And then one thing I really like is this massive kind of accordion style handcrafted wood door here. Now I like this better than a slider because with a slider, you know, still half of it's closed, right? If you have your traditional slider, it doesn't have airflow coming through this. This setup allows you to have a lot of air come through. So even on gentle breeze days, you'll still have airflow going through the house, which is really important. And so right outside, this kind of blends your interior and exterior space, which I really like. You can get your view even from inside the living space. And then upstairs, and I think people are gonna like this. We have over 730 square feet of living space, not including the lanai, up on the owner's suite. So this entire upper level is all owner's suite. I like it the way it is. I think it's set up great. You have a king size bed and just a ton of room. We've got our closet over there. We've got another balcony out here to our mountain view. Today it's a mountain cloud view. So you can just see massive, massive space. This is like 20 by 20. It's absolutely huge. And then in here to our bathroom, we got our nice giant mirror there. I'm going resort casual today. I like that shirt. Only worn this one a couple times. That's a Tory Richards. Nice shirt. I like the job they did here on this granite. Looks great. So dual basin sink, and I like how this is kind of a throwback to the old school Japanese style shower tubs that we have here in Kona. This is a shower with 2 heads, but people will also use it as a soaking tub. Cover that drain up, you have a nice big deep soaking tub. It'll take a little while to fill that up because it's so big. And a water closet over here. So I dig the bathroom. And then the other thing I really like, and this is becoming more and more important these days, is this additional little space here. Now, you can do a lot of things. For me, I would use it like this, or I keep it like this, and I would use it as an office. Any of my Zwift friends out there, are you Zwifters? I'm on Zwift, which is where you ride in place on a bicycle virtually. Well, I would have this set up as my Zwift workout room, yoga room, office. You have a lot of flexibility there. And then, again, we have these large doors leading outside to this screened-in lanai. If you wanted to, you could remove the screens and make that view pop a little bit more. And a little seating area there. So some people have told me they would change it up a little bit. That they would, since there's a closet there, they would make that wall solid, sheetrock it in, come up here, change this door here just a little bit so it leads out, and then put a wall here all the way up. So it would close off this bedroom, have a door here coming into the bedroom. This would essentially be a little hallway right down here and then a door outside if you needed a 5th bedroom. But you got 4 bedrooms here, so that's quite a bit. Now here's where this is really something interesting that you're not going to find much on the market. Number one, it's on Alii Drive, so it's highly desirable as a rental unit. Some people are going to want to be here as a short-term rental. However, this house does not have a non-conforming use certificate, which is required by the County of Hawaii on any residentially zoned house, not in a resort node, if you want to do a short-term vacation rental. But what you are allowed to do in the County of Hawaii is have what's called a hosted rental. That means I live in it and I rent out another part as short-term vacation rental. Now that's allowed, and that's where this unit here comes in. You could live down here and rent out upstairs, or you could live upstairs and rent out down here. You could do those rentals as short-term or long-term. You could even say, you know what, I found a nice family that I really like, and I'm going to let them rent down here long-term, and they can be my host for my short-term vacation rental upstairs. I'm going to give them a little break on the rent even. Now, who doesn't want a break on rent? And that allows them to be your on-site property manager for a short-term vacation rental as long as they live here. So in doing that, you meet all requirements for the County of Hawaii, and you're able to really monetize this property. Right now, we are seeing an absolute boom in the short-term vacation rental market, and I think if you were able to do that, you'd make some pretty good money on it. That's what I would probably do. If it was me, I'd probably just live down here and I'd be fine, and I'd rent out the top for $400 a night. Coming down our hallway, we have one bathroom down here on this level. Travertine on all the floors down here, 18-inch. And so you can see we have another really large bedroom here. I told you all the bedrooms were large, and I wasn't kidding. So I think that's might be a queen, but I think it's a California king. And those are 18-inch tiles. So 1, 2, 3, we got 6 feet on the side there. So plenty of space. Maybe this is the smallest bedroom. Eastern King. We got about 1, 2, 3, yeah, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4 full tiles just about right down here on the bottom. So about 6 feet from the end of the bed, about 3 feet on either side. Plenty of space on that. All the rooms have these big windows letting in plenty of light. Okay, so a lot of flexibility, 2 income streams possibly, or live in one and rent out the other one. All right on Alii Drive, right in between Kahaluu and Magic Sands Beach Park. I hope you guys like this. Hope to see you again real soon. Click like and subscribe. Aloha.